Jai Hind students, welcome to again on live class. Students, today we will discuss algebraic expression but operations on subtraction, means operation as a subtraction. Last previous class we have discussed addition, how to add algebraic expression. Here we will discuss subtraction method. Before it, we want to tell with the example. See students, everyone, subtraction method. Subtraction method, this way, vertical and horizontal. So the example 4 is given. Subtract subtract 4a plus 5b minus 3c from 6a minus 3b plus c. Students, the question is given, subtract expression 4a plus 5b minus 3c from 6a minus 3b plus c. From what if given, suppose subtract 7 from 8. So how we will write? First of all, from 8, after the from value we will write 8 and subtract then 7. This way. Similar, we will write here also. Subtract. Here we will follow the both method. First of all, vertical method I am telling 6a minus 3b plus c. Then after 4a minus 5b minus 3c. Students, we want to do minus, subtract. Here sign will change. What you want to do minus? We will see the last, means second expressions, all the sign. This all the sign will change. Here what sign is here? Plus and minus. Now its sign will be minus 4a. Plus and minus, what sign will be? Minus. Now minus 5a. Minus and minus, that is the plus 3c. What should I told you? Second expression, that is the whatever given the first expression after its second expression. So all the sign of this expression, this variable, all sign will change because we want to do subtract it. So plus is here, so sign will be minus. Plus is here, then minus. Minus is here, then plus. Now all these variables sign will change. In 4a now what having sign? Minus. 5b what having sign? Minus. And 3c what having sign? Plus. Okay students? So you compare this sign to first expression. What sign is here? Plus. So plus and minus. Plus and minus. Plus minus minus. So 6a and minus 4a. What value will come? 2a. 6a is greater because this is plus sign, so we will write here, no need to write down, this is a by default plus sign. Minus, and this is also minus. So minus plus, so 5 plus 3, that is the 8. This is plus 1c, then plus 3 and plus 1, plus 4c. Students, again I am discussing because some doubtful everyone. 4a plus 5b minus 3c. This is minus. We want to subtract it. Then on the case of the subtraction, we will change the sign of the last expression. This expression. So 4a is in positive sign, 5b positive sign, and 3c negative sign. So this sign will be changed regarding this. So it is plus, so it will come minus, plus, then minus, minus, then plus. Now this sign, 4a sign now having the minus, 5b having the minus, and 3c having the plus. So minus plus minus, 6a minus 4a, that is 2a, minus minus plus, so 3b and 5b minus 8b, because minus minus plus, but sign will come in minus. Plus and plus, 3 plus 1, that is 4, plus 4c. It will be your answer. Students, hope everyone clear. This is a vertical method. Now we want to same questions with the horizontal method. I think everyone noted. Okay. Students, vertical method, horizontal method. Minus 4a plus 5b minus 3c. Look at one. 6a minus 3b plus 1c. Now minus is here. So we have told here if plus sign is here, no sign will change. But if minus is here, then sign will change. Minus 4a, this is plus, and minus 5b, this is minus, then plus 3c. Now sign has been changed. 6a, now like terms, 6a minus 4a minus 3b minus 5b plus 1c plus 3c. 6a minus 4a, that is 2a, minus 3b minus 5b minus 8b, and plus 1c plus 3c plus 4c. This one you can check the same answer we have. What is the problem is here? Before this last expressions, their sign is here, we should change the sign. If plus, then minus, minus, then plus. Other are same. Like terms should one side, then if plus or minus, then you will see and the minus and plus there. Clear, students? So better for subtraction, you should follow the horizontal method. You can vertical method, no problem. But easier that is horizontal method. Clear, students? Example 4 we have done now. It's last example. There is given example 5. Say one book. Example 5. Example 5 is given 3x square minus 6x minus 4. 3x square minus 3x square minus 3x square minus 6x minus 4 from 5 plus x minus 2x square. This means this example of 5. Subtract 3x square minus 6x minus 4 from 5 plus x minus 2x square. We are doing this horizontal method. 3x square. This from value we will write the first. After from value we will write first for this expression. 5 plus x minus 2x square and minus 3x square minus 6x minus 4. Student, 5 plus x minus 2x square minus, now after minus the bracket values given, so all sign will be changed. 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Now students, like terms. First of all, we will take as first x square, then x, then constant value. X square, these two values, minus 2x square minus 3x square. Then plus x plus 6x, then constant value plus 5 and plus 4. This way. Minus 2x square minus 3x square, what will come? Minus minus plus. So minus 5x square. Plus x plus 6x, this means plus 1x plus 6x plus 7x. And plus 5 plus 4 plus 9. plus 9. This answer will be minus 5x square plus 7x plus 9. Clear students? And you can check your answer. Students, now subtractions example we have completed. Now start your exercise. Exercise 6a. Addition we have completed. Now going to start its subtraction part. Students, just note it down. Noted? Okay. Students, subtraction part start from question number 9. 6a. Subtraction we have written. So start from question number 9. 3a square b from minus 5a square b. So by horizontal method, first of all we will write the minus 5a square. Minus 5a square b. What you have to do? Subtract. Subtract sign should be here minus 3a square. Actually you can see here both are have the same variable. Means like terms minus minus plus. So minus 5 plus 3 8a square. It will be your answer. Okay, question number 9. Do everyone. Question number 13. Sorry, 9 then 10 divided to yourself 11. Minus 2abc from minus 8abc. So you know students, first we write the from value minus 8abc. What you have to do? Subtract. So there should be minus sign. Then this value minus 2abc. If minus is given, you have to write in bracket form. Minus 8abc what here is plus minus minus 8abc. Minus minus plus 2abc. You can see students minus plus minus. So what answer will come? Minus plus minus then minus. So minus 8 and 2, that is the 6. And sign you will check. Minus sign is greater, so there should be minus sign. Note it down students. A minus 5b plus 2c minus 9 from 3a minus 4b minus 4b minus c plus 6. This form is given, students. So form will be like the first 3a minus 4b minus c plus 6. From we subtract minus 2a minus 5b plus 2c minus 9. Students, note it down. Question number 11. Going to the same here students. 3a minus 4b minus c plus b minus, open the bracket, the sign will change, 2a plus 5b minus 2c plus 9. 3a similar like terms variable plus 3a and minus 2a minus 4b plus b sorry, this is the 6. This is the 6. Then the plus 5. Plus 5. Then minus C, minus 2C, plus 6 and plus 9. 3A plus sign minus 2A minus 3A minus 2A, that is 1A, that is A. Minus 4B plus 5B, 5 minus 4, that is the 1, but in plus sign created plus B. Minus C, minus 2C, then minus plus, so minus 3C. Plus 6 plus 9, that is plus 9 plus 6, 15. It will be your answer. Students, note it down. I'm making question number 14. Till note it down in one. X cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 4 from 3x cube minus x square plus 2x, and last value is given minus 4. Last value is given minus 4. 2x minus 4. Students, you can see from your book, there is given and done everyone. From value given first, so you write the first 3x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 4. And after that, because you want to do subtract, minus sign should be there. Then minus next expression x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 4. Open the bracket, students. Three x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 4 minus x cube, sign will change, minus 3x square plus 5x and then minus 4. This way, like terms plus 3x cube minus x cube minus x square minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5x minus 4 then minus 4. Okay students, we have now according to like terms we have filled 3x cube plus minus 1x cube. Okay, 3 minus 1, that is 2, 2x cube. Minus 1x square minus 3x square. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. And sign will come in minus 4x square. Plus 2x plus 5x plus 7x. Minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 8. It will be your cube. It will be your answer. 3x cube minus 4x square plus 7x plus, sorry, minus 8. Clear students? Note it down. Students, question number 17. I think 16 is seeing a little bit tough, so I am telling you 16. 17 you will do yourself. Okay students? 16. I am writing question till, just note it, A1. Sorry, 16. I told 16. 16, 5y4 minus 3y cube plus 2y square plus y minus 1 from, we subtract from 4y power 4 minus 2 y power cube minus 6y square minus y and plus 5. Friends, hope you will noted, written. Going to draw. Start from value 4y4 minus 2y cube minus 6y square minus y plus 5. Then subtract minus sign 5y power 4 minus 3y cube plus 2y square plus y minus 1. Clear, friends? Similar, same cheese. In same thing, we will receive form, horizontal form we have written 4y power 4. Now open the bracket 6y square minus y plus 5 minus, now open the bracket y power 4 plus 3y cube, sign will change, minus 2y square, there is plus is given then minus, and minus is given, that is plus. You can see it, minus is given plus is given minus, plus is given minus, and minus is given plus. Because they are bracket before, the minus is given. So 4y power 4. Now any place you are getting the similar like terms? Yes. 4y power 4 and minus 5y power 4. So 4y power 4 minus 5y power 4 minus 2y cube. There 1y cube, 2y cube. This would be 3y cube, sorry. 3y cube. Okay, friends? This is the cube form. Minus 2y cube plus 3y cube minus 6y square, then minus 2y square minus y. And here minus y plus 5 and plus 1 minus 4 plus 4 and minus 5y. So plus 4 minus 5, that is the minus 1y, means y power 4. Minus plus minus, so plus sign is greater, plus 3 minus 2, then y power 2. Minus plus, so minus is here, 6 to 8, 8y square, minus again plus, so minus sign will be there, and 2y plus 5 plus 1, that is plus 6. It will be your answer. Again I am telling students, so this is the little bit lengthy from others. We have written this question 4y power 4, from value we will write the first 4y power 4 minus 2y cube minus 6y square minus y plus 5 minus 5y power 4 minus 3y cube plus 2y square and plus y, then minus 1. Now we will open the bracket plus 4y power 4 minus 2y cube minus 6y square minus y plus 5. We will write as it, whatever given. Now minus sign is here, so now sign will change. 5y power 4 minus is here, then plus 3y cube plus 2y square, then minus 2y square plus y, then minus y minus 1, that is plus 1. Clear, student? Now like terms, next step 4y4, then minus 5y4. You will see also their orders 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. We will check it. Clear, students? So minus 4y power 4 minus 5y power 4 minus 2y cube plus 3y cube minus 6y square minus 2y square, then minus y, then minus y plus 5, then plus 1. Students, plus 4 and minus 5 we know minus 1 because sign it is minus, so minus 1 y power 4. Minus 2 and plus 3, that is the minus. The greater than sign is plus sign, so plus y cube. Minus we know plus, but sign will come as a minus. So 6 plus 2, that is 8y square. Minus 1y, minus plus, so minus, but sign will write minus. And 1y, that is 2y. Plus 5 plus 1, that is plus 6. Okay, students? Clear? Noted down. Okay, students, you have noted. Okay. Now, question number 18. This is the word problem. What must be subtracted from 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1 to get 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1? I think everyone noted. Going to rough. Question number 18 is given, what must be subtracted from? If we will see the according to question, what must be subtracted from? What must be subtracted from 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1 to get 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square then plus 1. Students, you can see your book also. There is given what must be subtracted from. What must be subtracted from? So, like we have taken, because they are variable a, b are used, so we will take variable as a x. Let subtracted be x. Let subtracted be x. In place of these, we will write what? X. According to question, x from 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1 to get. To get means we will get the result, means equal sign. Equal sign, what we will get? 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1. We will write as a framing the equations form. So we will do this way. Now students, x from this. So we will write the first this value, because after from we are writing the value. So 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1. Subtract, okay, minus x equal, what will get? 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1. Now students, what will do? Everyone can see minus x is here. If minus x by the method of linear equations, it will go here. So it will be plus. And this whole expression, it is in positive value, plus sign here. So when whole value will come here, it will be minus. Clear students? So I am writing here. We will write first this one. 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1 in bracket. Then this whole value coming this side to be minus 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1, and x will go that side, that will equal x. Students, clear? That subtracted number we will take in the variable x. According to question, x from this value to get 4a square minus 7ab minus 4b square plus 1. Now we will write this way. From value we will write the first, then x we want to subtract, minus x equal getting value. X value will go that side by the linear form, and this whole expression in positive form it will come this side, minus. We have written here. Now open the bracket. Now same rule. 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square minus 1. Open the bracket. The sign will change. Plus 7ab plus 4b square and minus 1. 3a square the single value minus 4a square minus 6ab plus 7ab minus 3b square plus 4b square minus 1 is here, and here also minus 1 equal x. Till students noted. Oh. 3a square plus minus and minus a square minus 6ab plus 7ab plus 1ab, that is plus ab, minus 3b square plus 4b square then plus b square, minus 1 that minus 2 equal x. So what will be answer? X equal minus a square plus ab plus b square minus 2. It will be answer. Students, hope everyone clear. So note it down. Noted, students. So students, today we have discussed till question number 18. Okay students, till question number 18 we have discussed. And clear also even. Now next class we will discuss after that question, whatever question are left. And noted whatever we have told you, noted on your fair note. So students, take care. Thank you students. Jai Hind.